Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your quiz so you can put it on your blog. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're signed into your Chrome browser so your extensions and your bookmarks will show up, and that's the only way that you can actually install an extension. So you're going to go to a new Google screen and search for Chrome Web Store. And you are going to look for extensions, and so you will have access to these on any website that you're on. So make sure it's on extensions and then do Nimbus screenshot. And you'll want to do this first one. And as you can see, I already installed it because it's really large, so I went ahead and did that. But all you got to do, like these say add to Chrome, that one will be like that too if you haven't done it yet. Then just add to it. And then it will be in your extensions up here. So after you have that, we're going to go back over here to our growth mindset quiz, and yours will be all filled out and your results will have a little summary of what you did up here. So I want you to screenshot all of that. So we're going to use the tool we just installed. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to do selected and scroll because it's more than just one of my pages. So I'm just going to click and drag the part that I want, get all of that. And then if you don't like it, you can do it again. You can X out of it or you can save it. And it is going to save it to your desktop or wherever you tell it to. I'm going to name mine Growth Mindset Quiz. Save that. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to now go and upload it to my Google Drive because just in case it gets lost somewhere, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do New File Upload and then go ahead and save that. Okay, so there it is. Now I just need to go over to my blog and upload that. And so I'm already over here on my blog. You're going to do a new post. And the post that your picture is going to go on is your blog number 3. So blog number 3, I can't remember what the title is. Okay, but just like last time, you're going to have to do a text box to write your post. And then what you just did was an image. So that is pretty straightforward. You're just going to click and upload one from your computer. And it'll be the one you just did. Okay, so it should upload pretty quickly. And then I'm not writing it, so I'm just going to click save. So it saves it. And there it should go. Now, when you are ready to write it, then you're going to click on this draft down here because that's what it did. It saved it right there. So you're going to click on that to actually go and finish writing your blog post. And you're going to click save again. And then ultimately you will click publish. And then your picture will be there. So that really is all you need to do to get a screenshot of your quiz results.